Hello. In this video we will show you what's new in version 2.9 of the PDF index generator software. We have added some nice new features in this version, and we will show you the most important ones, in brief. Feature number 1, the program is now capable of indexing footnotes in your book, to list all footnote numbers of the index terms in the output index. The page numbers for the footnotes would appear like this in the final index. This feature can be used by enabling the Detect Footnotes option from the program settings. There is a video tutorial that explains how to use this feature in full details. You will find its link on YouTube in the description of this video, or you can watch it on our website, in the video tutorials section. Feature number 2, we have replaced the old color picker with a new more user-friendly one. Here is the old color picker used before. And here is the new one. It looks much better, as you can see. Feature number 3, in step 1 you will notice this new arrow in the PDF file path text field. Clicking this arrow will show a list of your recent used PDF files that you've indexed before, so you can easily select a PDF file path directly from this list to use it, instead of clicking the Browse button to select a PDF file from your computer to use it. Feature number 4, in Windows operating system you will notice that when right-clicking any PDF file, there is a new option that appears in the pop-up menu, Index with PDF Index Generator. Selecting this option will automatically open the program with the specified book loaded automatically in step 1, saving you some time and effort. Feature number 5, the program now comes with Java embedded inside it for the Windows, Mac, and Linux editions. So you won't have to bother yourself with installing Java anymore to run the program. Even if you don't have Java installed on your computer, PDF Index Generator will still run just fine, on any operating system. The last change that we are going to mention, is that we have removed the old help section from the program. We have replaced it with online help to be more user-friendly. When you click the help icon in any window inside the program, or if you click Shift plus F1 as a shortcut, it will open the help section concerning this window in our website to easily access it. We have now mentioned the most important features in this new release. Please feel free to contact us if you have suggestions for our program. We value your ideas, and we truly consider your comments to create better new user-friendly releases. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.